app. And this is
Unprecedented Assistance!
Hi, I'm John Excel S. Alvarez, the group leader of Group 1. I'll present you the logo of our software app. As you can see, there is a big book. Here is all the information which you can see. You can see all the details which you needed for your assignments. And not just that, it has also games that which educates our minds.
Do you want to know how to download this amazing app? Well, it is very easy. The first step is click the Google Play Store app, and then it will flash games, apps, books, and movies. First step, click the games, and then search for the app. And then, when it flashes, click the download, and it will process.
Wait.
If you would like
Wait, wala pa.
mag-search kayo. Well, if you would like to know how to use this app, well, first things first. Once you click the icon of this app from the Play Store, you'll be surprised to see that there are no in-app purchases, which means this app is completely free. Well, how do we use it? It is used for educational purposes. What does that mean? What does that mean? Well, it is. We would use it to learn extra things from our lessons. So if we forgot to listen to our teachers, well, we could use the app to get some little more help. But it has a catch. It does not give you the answer to the beautiful questions in its in-app worksheets. Instead, it will help you to find the answer. It does not require whatsoever. The data needs already downloaded. What a wonderful app! Now you know all about this app. The only thing you need to do is to download it. Try it now!
My group